Apple's long-rumored foldable iPhone is expected to arrive soon, but early access will come with major restrictions for buyers outside the United States. Recent supply chain reports suggest the device, sometimes called the iPhone Ultra or iPhone Fold, could debut as a US-only product at first. The decision appears driven less by marketing strategy and more by serious manufacturing hurdles that Apple has not faced on this scale in years. Production of the foldable model is reportedly struggling with low yields, hardware defects in early units, and the high cost of specialized components. These issues are forcing Apple to limit the initial rollout while suppliers work to improve consistency and volume. As a result, the standard iPhone 18 Pro and Pro Max models may launch worldwide on schedule, while the foldable version stays restricted to the American market for several months. This would mark a notable departure from Apple's usual simultaneous global releases. Suppliers are finding it difficult to produce enough high-quality foldable displays, hinges, and related parts at the standards Apple demands. The company cannot risk a severe shortage right after introducing what is expected to be its most expensive iPhone ever. Current indications point to an announcement around September 9th, with the Pro models available more broadly while the foldable remains US exclusive until production ramps up. Apple has used a similar phased approach before. The Vision Pro headset launched first in the United States, allowing the company to manage limited inventory and refine production before expanding to other countries. The foldable iPhone could follow the same path, though demand is likely to be far higher and the constraints more intense. Even US customers may face restricted pre-order windows, long shipping delays, and extended wait times. Initial inventory is expected to be only a fraction of a typical iPhone launch volume. The manufacturing difficulty stems from the ambitious hardware. Rumors describe a large 7.8-inch inner display with a significantly reduced crease housed in a durable titanium frame. The device is expected to include Apple's A20 Pro chip and 12 gigabytes of RAM, enabling strong multitasking performance closer to an iPad experience. These advanced components come at a steep cost. Pricing estimates currently place the starting price above $2,000, which would make it Apple's most expensive iPhone to date. If production problems persist, availability outside the United States could slip into late 2026 or even early 2027. That timeline would leave many international buyers waiting while the regular Pro models ship globally without the same constraints. The situation raises a practical question for potential buyers. Is it worth waiting for the foldable model, or does it make more sense to purchase the iPhone 18 Pro on launch day? Limited supply, high price, and uncertain international timing all factor into that decision. Apple's track record with complex new form factors, including the mixed reception of the Vision Pro after its initial hype, suggests the foldable launch will require careful management of both expectations and inventory. In short, the foldable iPhone represents Apple's most ambitious hardware step in years, but the manufacturing realities appear set to shape its availability far more than traditional marketing plans. US customers may get the first chance to buy it, while the rest of the world waits for production to stabilize.